Hello guys, my name is Sanjeev Reddy and welcome back to Statistical Academy. We are going to talk about the most frequently asked questions. And the questions that we are going to discuss in this video are: what are the system requirements for running SAS? How SAS on-demand for academics different from commercial SAS? How quickly can I learn SAS? So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment with your thoughts on the topic. Let's learn together. So that first question is, what are the system requirements for running SAS? SAS on demand for academic runs on cloud. So you only need internet connection and no need to worry about poor configuration of laptop or desktop. And if you have licensed SAS software which is installed on your machine or server, you can run it easily with 4 GB RAM and i3 processor. How is SAS on-demand for academics different from commercial SAS? They are exactly same as far as programming is concerned. They can be different only in terms of interface or editor that you are using in your workplace along with server. Companies generally use SAS Enterprise Guide, which has different interface than SAS on-demand for academics. In nutshell, you should only focus on learning SAS programming concepts and practice it. Getting comfortable with the interface is a matter of few minutes, and companies interview candidates based on programming knowledge. They would not ask you questions about interface. How quickly can I learn SAS? SAS has several modules, but it mainly divides into three sections: base SAS, advanced SAS, and SAS statistics. You can learn base SAS in a month or sooner depending on the efforts you put in the practice. The speed at which you can learn SAS depends on several factors such as your prior experience with the data analysis and programming, your dedications to learning and practicing, and the resources you use to study. On average, it may take anywhere from a few weeks to few months to learn the SAS programming and start conducting the basic data analysis tasks. If you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments below or reach out to me through the mail ID mentioned in the about section of this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.